Hello guys and welcome to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Dekan, aka Coco, aka Queen of DIYs. If you're a returning subscriber, internet hugs to you. Thank you for always tuning back in. Please make sure that you're subscribed and that you click on the notification bell to make sure that you're notified every single time that I post a video. Like this video, it goes a long way in helping YouTube know that you like my content, and also share this video with your friends. Drop a comment down below to let me know that you also like this video. And yeah, also I would be dropping all the information needed, measurements, ingredients, and everything you need to know in the description box, so make sure that you check that out. There'll be some valuable information there, so yeah, watch out for that. And also, when you're done with this video, I have other useful videos on this channel that you can definitely check out, so you should click to watch other videos. You definitely enjoy them. This video is on a homemade remedy for dark spots and skin lightening and glowing. So I'll be making more homemade remedies for you guys on this channel. Some of you have been asking for more easy recipes, so yeah, I'm coming up with that for you guys, so definitely stick around because I like to have you much longer. And yeah, let's get right into making this beautiful lemon and potato skin lightening cream. Firstly, I'll be introducing you guys to our star ingredients, which are our lemon and potato. Lemon and potato are rich in skin lightening properties, so hence why we are using this for this formula. So first, we are going to try to get our lemon zest, and how we do that is we're going to grate the back of our lemon, like grating the lemon peels, just to get the lemon zest. The zest of the lemon is very rich in vitamins that will help to brighten and lighten the skin. So yeah, I'm just getting the zest out, and here I use just one lemon. You can always go ham, maybe 2 or 3, it depends on how much you want. So next, I'm doing the same with my potato. Now you might wonder why I did not peel the potato. I washed it up very well. I washed it thoroughly, and in my opinion and for my recipe, I just like going in with the peels as well. I don't know, it's a feeling thing. I feel like the potato peels are also very rich in skin enhancing ingredients as well. I just find that my creams do better when I include the peels of the potato. I don't know if that makes sense. So here I'm working with my intuition when it comes to the peel, but if you have your reservation, you can always peel that. And yeah, now we have our potato and lemon zest. Now I'm going to be adding half a teaspoon of turmeric powder to the mix. And I'm just going to give that a good stir to make sure that everything mixes up properly. You really want to do this because you want all the ingredients to come together and form like a potent active for your skin whitening cream. So now with a cling film, I'm just going to cover that up properly. and then I'll set it aside for a couple minutes to hours to make sure that everything just sort of should I say drains out properly, if that's the word. So after like 2 hours I came back to this, and yeah, I think it's pretty much ready to work with. So now with a sieve, I am going to try and get all the juice out of this mix. I'm just giving that a good stir again. And now I'm transferring that into the sieve. And now I'm going to be squeezing out all the juice I can get from this. So now we have our whitening juice, and this is what we're going to use in making our cream. And as you can see, the ingredients involved in this are just something laying around your kitchen. You can easily get them. So now we would need our aloe vera gel, and here I am using 100% aloe vera gel. And I'm just taking the amount that I need. And then now I'm going to be adding our whitening juice into the aloe vera gel. And now I'm adding 2 teaspoons of the whitening juice. And with my spatula or wand, I'm just gonna stir that up, give it a good stir. And now this step is really important, making sure that you stir properly and you mix it up properly. It takes a little while, but it's definitely something you can do. So now at this point I added my Ewax, but my camera went off on me and I didn't realize. So check the description bar for the measurement of the Ewax that I added to this. So adding the Ewax is pretty optional. You can leave it the way it was, or you can add Ewax if you have that. I like to add Ewax because it helps in making my mixture very creamy. It gives me that creamy texture. So yeah, if you want to have a texture like this, then you go for the Ewax, but it's pretty optional. You don't need to add it. And yeah, and now we have our homemade lemon and potato skin whitening, lightening, glowing cream. This is a lightweight cream, can be used on the face and body. It will give your skin a healthy glow. You're definitely going to love it. And like you see, or like you saw earlier in the video, it's just with ingredients that you have laying around in your kitchen, something that you can easily just put together and do. So it's really nothing hectic. So definitely consider making this. Is going to be useful in your beauty routine. You can store this in the refrigerator. And yeah, so that's it for this video. Thank you so much for watching. I do hope that you're subscribed to the channel, and thumbs up this video, share this video with your friends, drop a comment down below. And yeah, there are other recipes coming up, and there are also other videos on this channel, so you can definitely check that out as well. And yeah, we have our luscious skin whitening cream. If you do try this out, come back and drop a comment down below. Let me know how you liked it. And also, if you have questions, please make sure to check the description bar to make sure that I have not answered your questions. And then if I haven't, you can always drop a comment down below or ask me your questions down below. I like to read and see your comments. Thank you so much, and as always, I wish you a perfect and luscious skin. See you in my next video. Love you guys. Mwah.